Good morning, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. Once again, welcome you to the online lectures of Chemistry 2nd. Our today's topic is enthalmetics. Enthalmetics means these are the drugs which are used in treatment of helminthiasis. एन्थॅल्मेटिक्स म्हणजे काय, जे ड्रग्स एन्थॅल्मेसिस इन्फेक्शनमध्ये यूज होतात दे आर टू बी नोन ॲज एन्थॅल्मेटिक्स. हेल्मिन्थायासिस मीन्स it is a disease which has been caused by parasitic worms which infest the human body are known as helminthiasis. It is a disease caused by parasitic worms which infest the body, that is human body, are called as helminthiasis. These parasitic worms firmly hold the intestinal mucosa of human body and continue their reproduction cycle. These parasitic worms may be categorized into three classes: cystodes, also known as tapeworms; nematodes, that is known as roundworms; and last, that is trematodes, known as flukes. In that, the first one, that is tapeworms. Among these are beef tapeworm, fish tapeworm, pork tapeworm, which causes helminthiasis in human beings. Among roundworms are hookworms, threadworm, whipworm, pinworm, which causes helminthiasis. Among all of these, hookworms causes dangerous infestation as they remain attached to the wall of intestine and suck blood. Among the trematodes, liver flux, lung flux, intestinal flux, and blood flux causes helminthiasis. Among these, the blood flux has the ability to penetrate the skin, and from the skin via the venous circulation they proceeds toward the liver and kidney, and slow by slow it causes the destruction of liver and kidney. Helminthiasis, these are the three types of worms which are responsible for causing helminthiasis in human beings. One is tapeworm, second is roundworm, and third one, that is flux. Now coming to our topic, that is helminthiatics. I have already told you the drugs which are used to destroy or expel or eliminate these parasitic worms from the infected host, that is from the infected human being, are known as enthalmetics. These enthalmetics act by killing or paralyzing the worms so that such worms can be easily expelled from the human body. Some drugs also impair the reproduction of these worms by impairing the eggs production process in the worms or in the parasitic worms. आपण लहानपणी ऐकलं असेल की ज्यावेळेस लहान पोरं असतात ते ज्यावेळेस जास्त प्रमाणात गोड खातात तर त्यांचं पोट दुखत असतं, तर मग आपण पोट साफ होण्यासाठी अल्बेंडाझॉल सस्पेन्शन किंवा DEC सस्पेन्शन यूज करतो. नावडेज अल्बेंडाझॉल इज यूज ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल. मग अल्बेंडाझॉल काय? दिस अल्बेंडाझॉल इज नथिंग बट इट इज अन एन्थॅल्मेटिक ड्रग. जास्त गोड खाल्ल्यामुळे काय होतं, there is the ability of developing a helminthiasis infection. Whatever worms which are present in the pediatric, to expel from the body of the pediatric, the physicians prescribe the albendazole suspension, that is 10 milligram, which is a enthalmetic drug. Now if you see the classification, first class, that is depending upon the chemical structure, phenols, example dichlorophene, bithenol. Second, chlorinated hydrocarbons, that is carbon, hydrogen and chlorine group is present, known as chlorinated hydrocarbons, example tetrachloroethylene. Then next, that is antimonial compounds, example antimony potassium tartrate, antimony sodium tartrate. Then next, that is dyes, example gentian violet. Then next, that is alkaloids, example imetine. Then next, that is piperazine analogs, piperazine itself. And the second one, that is diethyl carbamazine, or in short it is known as DEC, diethyl carbamazine. And miscellaneous, example mebendazole, albendazole, and among antibiotics like griseofulvin, paramomycin, etc. Now let us see the drugs. There are total 3 drugs for your study. One is piperazine, second diethyl carbamazine, and last one, that is mebendazole. Now we will see the first one, that is piperazine. Piperazine is available into four salt forms. If you see the structure, the first structure, it is the structure of your piperazine hydrate. Second structure, it is the structure of piperazine phosphate. Third one, it is the structure of your piperazine piperazine adipate. Third one, that is piperazine adipate. And the last one, that is piperazine citrate. If you see all the 4 structures, you will see that the common thing present, that is piperazine heterocyclic ring is present. 6-membered unsaturated ring containing saturated nitrogens at first and fourth position. It is the structure of your piperazine. This piperazine is available into 4 salt forms. First one, that is hydrate. Second one, that is phosphate. Third one, that is adipate. And the fourth one, that is citrate. Now according as there are 4 salt forms, we are going to see their properties according to their salt form. First we will see the properties of piperazine hydrate. It occurs as colorless crystals. It is freely soluble in water and in ethanol, slightly soluble in water. Second one, piperazine phosphate. Piperazine phosphate occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless. It is sparingly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol. Third one, piperazine adipate. It is white crystalline powder. It is soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol. And the last one, piperazine citrate, occurs as white powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol and in ether. Therefore you have to remember in examination, if property, that is question is write down the properties of piperazine, then you can write down the properties of any salt form of piperazine. But if specifically asked write down the properties of piperazine citrate, then you have to write down the properties of piperazine citrate. If they ask you the properties of piperazine phosphate, then write down the properties of piperazine phosphate. The same thing is applicable for structures also. The common ring is same in all the 4 structure, that is piperazine ring. The difference is related with the structure of your salt form. Then stability storage. It is affected by light and it is hygroscopic in nature. therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses as an enthalmatic agent, it is used in treatment of helminthiasis caused by roundworms. Official preparation: piperazine adipate tablet, piperazine phosphate tablet, piperazine hydrate tablet, official in your IP and BP, piperazine citrate syrup, official in IP, piperazine citrate elixir, official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Brand name: Vermicide, Helmicide are the trade names or brand names. Now the next drug, diethyl carbamazine, or it is known as DEC. D stands for di, E stands for ethyl, and C stands for carbamazine. That is diethyl carbamazine. It is also an important structure for your examination. Now if you see the structure, first we are going to identify the basic structure. This is the basic structure. What is the structure? It is the structure of your piperazine heterocyclic ring. Now in the structure of piperazine heterocyclic ring, if you see the substitute groups, at fourth position methyl group is present, and at first position N diethyl 1 carboxyl is present. C double bond O NH2, it is the structure of your carboxamide. In carboxamide, to the nitrogen atom, two ethyl groups are present. Therefore, we write down N diethyl 1 carboxamide. Now write down in alphabetical order. First N diethyl, 4 methyl, 1 carboxamide, piperazine. That is the structure of your DEC. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless, it is very soluble in water, soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in ether, in acetone and in chloroform. Uses: it is used in treatment of helminthiasis caused by roundworms. It is used in treatment of tropical eosinophilia. It is used in treatment of filariasis, etc. It is a stable compound, therefore stored in well closed containers. Official preparation: diethyl carbamazine tablet, which is official in your IP and BP. Trade name or brand name: Bonocide 40, Filazine, Hetrazine are the trade names or brand names. The next drug, that is last one, that is mebendazole. Mebendazole occurs as white to slightly yellow powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in formic acid, practically insoluble in ethanol and in ether. Uses: it is used to treat roundworm and tapeworm infection. Stability storage: it is affected by light, hence stored in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: mebendazole tablet IP. Brand names: famous one, that is Vermin, second one, that is Nimasol. These are your trade names or brand names. This is a small chapter, that is enthalmatics. From this chapter, maximally definition of enthalmatics and structure of diethyl carbamazine is asked in your examinations. Thank you.